Have you ever wondered how plants make their food? Unlike us humans or animals, plants have a unique way of preparing their meals. They don't need to hunt or gather, they are self-sufficient, creating their own food through a remarkable process called photosynthesis. It's a plant's version of cooking, but instead of using ingredients from a pantry, they use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Intriguing, isn't it? So what's this process all about? Stick around to find out. Photosynthesis is like a magic trick that only plants can perform. Now, let's explore this magic trick in a bit more detail. It all starts when the plant absorbs sunlight and water, which kickstarts the first stage, known as the light-dependent reactions. During this stage, sunlight, the ultimate source of energy, is captured by the chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants. This energy is then used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released back into the atmosphere, while the hydrogen is stored for the next stage. Moving on to the second act of this magical performance, we have the light-independent reactions, also known as the Calvin cycle. Here's where the stored hydrogen comes into play. The plant takes in carbon dioxide from the air, and with the help of the energy from the first stage, it converts this carbon dioxide into glucose. Glucose, being a type of sugar, serves as the plant's food. So, in a nutshell, photosynthesis is a two-step process. First, the plant captures sunlight and uses it to break down water into hydrogen and oxygen. Then, it takes carbon dioxide from the air and uses the stored hydrogen and energy to convert it into glucose. In other words, plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their food and release oxygen. Pretty neat, right? But why should we care about photosynthesis, you might ask? Well, it's not just a process for plants, it's a lifeline for all of us. Humans, animals, and every living being on this planet. You see, through photosynthesis, plants produce oxygen, the same oxygen we need every second to breathe and stay alive. Without photosynthesis, life as we know it would cease to exist. But that's not all. Photosynthesis also plays a crucial role in controlling the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Plants absorb carbon dioxide, a significant greenhouse gas, and convert it into oxygen and glucose, thereby reducing global warming. So in essence, photosynthesis is at the heart of a balanced ecosystem. It's a beautiful, intricate dance of nature that nourishes life, breathes life, and protects life. So next time you see a plant, remember it's not just sitting there looking pretty, it's hard at work making food and keeping our planet healthy.